Well, I hope, hi, you're doing well. And I hope that everyone is fine with me being really salty today because, oh my god, I've been trying to fix something in Windows and it has been annoying me to no end. And now I'm like, I've already been considering switching to Linux, but now I'm just considering it even more. But first, I think I'll do. I had like stuff that I wanted to do with you guys today, but I guess first we are going to do File Explorer uh, for Windows. So I wanna see alternate File Explorer for Windows. This is the one that stuck. Okay, I thought this is the one that sucks. That would be fun to do, like going around and just making. Okay, let me just see. So we are looking at File Pilot. Okay, let's see this. File Pilot. Okay. Honestly, I actually have started to like older UIs, like older looking UIs rather than new ones. Okay, seems nice. It's beta. Hmm. Do you want to use it? Because the main reason I'm trying to get a new file explorer, because currently in my file explorer, I think there are some very like weird issues that are happening. Let me see if I can fix them. Now I can't show this right now because one of the stupid reasons also is that in I'm not able to change my username in Windows, which to be honest, I'm pretty sure like to begin with, it is not like I haven't named my PC this. It's automatically named using something. I'm not sure. Um, quick access is something that just annoys me to no end as well. So I'm just seeing if there is a way to just. What is compact view? Okay. If there's a way to just remove quick access completely. Options. View. Hide empty drives. Show drive letters. Status. What is this? So I can't hide quick access. It's one of my how to hide quick access. What this is Windows 10? Yeah. Need to see it for Windows 11. Wow. The setting itself isn't even called. It's called show recently used folders, not even quick access. So annoying. Okay. What on earth is gallery? It's just a. I don't want this here. There's just like a random stuff here, which just doesn't make any sense to me. Hide username from Windows folder. So my issue is that there is a folder in Windows which has your name in it, and I just want to hide that, or like at least change the name. I have tried changing the name because if I can just change, but it is a long, complex process. Not to mention, there's just something that's wrong with the folder, like the pictures folder. I think it's such a mess, dude. It is such a mess. It's not even like I don't like quick access. It's just something stupid was happening because of it. Pin to quick access. Let me now open this once. Huh? This is the most frustrating piece of software I've ever used for something that should be so simple. Now I can't enable quick access anymore. Whatever. Doesn't matter that much. um I don't know. This is stupid. Doesn't work half the time. What should I do with this? Let's try it. Let's try it. So other than this, do we have any other options? Where is the ARM version? ARM version? Interesting. So I guess I won't download it right now because I don't want to have anything that's paid basically. Open source file manager with dual panel interface. Discover total command supports plugin with advanced search tab browsing, runs smoothly with background operations. I just need a simple Windows Explorer. Not one that can do everything, one that can just do the things that I wanted to do. It's not like the oh my god, what was that? It's not like the biggest issue is the Windows. I actually like the current Windows Explorer. It's quite nice. But it is not. First of all, what are these random like? It's not what I want it to be. Trash. Okay, sorry. I'm just going to. This will happen a lot where I'm just going quiet because I'm basically what I wanted to actually do is clean my PC, but this was just annoying me a lot. Um, let's see what I should do. So, can I add? Can I add one more thing in my file? First of all, I need to somehow see if I can hide the username or whatever. So hide user folder name. This is what I want to do actually. A new user account. This is fine, the first part. Then you need to go do this thing. Yeah, so this is pretty annoyingly complex. You have to open registry, do all of this. Which should be pretty simple to be honest. So what I'm going to do, I think, is create a new folder. This will be access. And I'm just going to link everything in this. So videos, pictures, music. I only have one thing in music, so might as well. Where did access go? Desktop, downloads, and documents. Now document I don't really use at all, but I'll put it there anyways. Sure, saved games as well. Again, not something that I use, but it should be fine. I'll take access. I'll put this in where my projects, I guess, somewhere. I'll put this here. And now, basically, I can show you my screen. Now I have a folder which um I'm just confused. Why is the oh okay. Um yeah. So you can see now I have everything here, so I can directly reach anywhere from this. So just want to copy this to the desktop folder. So I have a folder here. Copy paste this here as well. This is just trash, I'm pretty sure. So okay. That should be done for now. Now I want to get into cleaning my PC. We'll do the explorer thing later. Um, so I'll quickly go and clean. Okay, so let me open Notepad quickly. And in this, wow, I have too many things. Uh, how do I just close everything, man? Close multiple tabs, close all. Okay. Did nothing close? Yes to all, I guess. No. Close all but this. No to all. Okay. I just want to show you guys this note. It's very interesting. Window capture. If you can see this, maintaining a direct gaze on the individuals without the need for eye contact, describing aliens. I don't know what this means, but I just thought it was kind of funny. Okay, so basically, we want to note down what all is covering, how much data is where, and all of that. So you will just see half of the screen, but that's fine, don't worry. So now I'll go check out the user folder. So straight up, how much does the user folder have? It has, so I'm calculating right now. I'm calculating in the sense the computer is calculating. So this one has 65 GB. So now our job is 66 basically. Our job is to figure out where most of the data is coming from. So inside this, there are two folders, one with my name on it, and the other is just a public folder. So the public folder is nothing basically. So now we can get on to my folder. Dude, it would be so good if I could just have a bloody uh, hide user folder name on Windows 11. All I want to do is just change the user folder name. That's it. So I'll go through the process once actually with you guys and see how complicated it is. And if it's not that complicated, we'll just do it. So can I, so you need to create a new account. This is simple, somewhat. Make it the administrator, then rename the folder by just going and changing the name. Then update the registry. So to go here and then change it to this. then test the changes and then remove the temporary account. I mean, can do it, but sort of annoying. The only reason I'm bothering with any of this is because my surname is in the username account, which again I don't even think I put it there. Like I'm pretty sure it's just the um like why is there not a setting which just lets you hide that in the folder or something? So stupid. Anyways, so in this folder now we have some. So I'm going to check till contacts. This should be nothing basically. So this is 17 MB. Okay. So I'm just going to write 500 MB. So this is, I'm just going to call it extra. So this is 500 MB. So the total for this is 66 GB. Let me just sort of make it so that total user. Okay, cool. So total is GB. Okay. So this is 0.5 GB basically. So I'm going to use that instead. Just so it's like sort of standardized. Desktop is 1 GB. Okay. Document should be pretty much empty. Yeah, 70 MB, so I'm not even going to count that. Now downloads is 11 GB. So this is what I expected for it to be basically. So this is, let's just call it 12 GB. Okay. Then we have favorites, links, music. Oh, so this is nothing. Music has 3 GB. So I'll just write it down. Then we have OneDrive, saved games. These two also should have basically nothing here. Search as source, and these three, nothing. Now pictures, it might have some stuff. It's still 200 MB. And then videos is probably the big one. So this is another 15 GB, 16. So videos, 16 GB. Okay. So this is it for, I also check the hidden folders if there are any. Very often they'll have like some extra data or whatever, which can be like hard to track. So I'm checking all the hidden data that I can see, hidden folders. Okay. So hidden is, so I'll just write it down here. Hidden is 32 GB, which is confusing to me. Like why is hidden 32 GB? Am I accidentally checking something else? Okay. In hidden though, in hidden, I think app data must be the one which has most of this data. All of it, okay. Actually, it's 33. So because I now know that it's just app data that has everything, I'll just write it like this. Okay. So I think that actually covers for everything, right? So I'll open calculator now and we'll see. So I guess I can show calculator as well. It's funny, I'm just like showing you guys different window capture, calculator. Okay. So now we have 1 plus 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 33. So this is 65. Basically everything has been accounted for. So I'm going to remove this desktop 1 GB, but I'm pretty sure there's nothing important in that, so that I should probably remove. I'm thinking, should I? So this is also something I'm not going to remove. So this I'm going to remove from like basically in the sense like I know all of that is not deletable basically. Desktop maybe, but it's 1 GB, so I'm going to leave it. So now we have now got 12, 16 and 33. So that's 61 GB still that we can delete. So now app data has 3 folders. So the first one is local and this has 20 GB. Then the second one is local low. I'm going to call it local L. And this one is basically 5 GB. So I'm rounding up or down a little bit, usually up. So there will be some like discrepancy. And then roaming is 7.5 GB. Okay. This should add up. Oh, I closed the calculator as well. I have a habit of closing the calculator very often. 25 and 7.5. So this is adding up properly. I'm seeing local has the most, right? So most likely I should be looking at this. But first I want to go to videos once and see what all is there. So I'm assuming most of it is from here. So we got in videos, NVIDIA. This one has 4.1. So I'm just going to call it 4. This is confusing though. Then okay, I guess OBS has the rest. No wait, OBS has only 83, but one of the videos is being recorded right now. But other than that, this shouldn't be, because I actually emptied a lot of it recently. Also must be in movies or something. Let me see. So NVIDIA we already saw. What? I mean, I know you can't see this, but I pressed something that made like 10 folders in bloody, what do you call it? Like made 10 folders in one and put all of them as pinned folders. It's thankfully you can't see it, but like it was really just annoying. So I'm just moving them. Okay. Now this many folders, they have nothing in it. So I'm going to just dump them. Usually what I do is I create a folder called trash and put anything that I plan to delete in that and basically forget about it. So angel beads, right? I have this anime angel beads. So that is angel B, I'll just call it. That is 11 GB, 11, basically 12 GB. So that actually accounts for everything, right? This accounts for everything. I think I'm going to keep this, although this is a lot, but I'm going to keep this. Then videos, this 4 GB of videos, this will edit and remove. So this is fine. So this is also not going to change. Now, so this leaves us with 12 plus 33. That's 45 GBs where we should be able to remove some content. Okay. So let me go to the downloads folder. I know downloads folder has a lot of garbage which I can remove. Okay, let's start with the files that are like larger in size. So we got a bunch of compressed folders and stuff. Okay, first of all, I have a compressed game like folder thing. So I'm gonna see if I have that folder in my setup folder first. And I do. So I will delete that. I'll just delete this. This is anyways like 800 MB, so it's not like it's taking that much space. Now out of this download folder, right, we have 2.6 GB that is work related. So I can't delete this. Basically, I'm just going to write 2.5 GB. So this is work related, can't delete this. Then lossless cut, we downloaded it some time ago. Facade installer. These are still small. Let me see how much is all of this like non-folder stuff combined. Properties. It's like 2 GB. Lose stuff. This is 2 GB. Less than 2 GB by the way, but I'm just rounding it. So I'm going to, for now, just put them in the trash folder that I usually do. So create a new folder. Okay. So now we have a bunch of stuff that I think I can safely delete. Let me just see. There's 2 GB, 3 GB. This is not even 1 GB itself. Gigabyte, I mean. Okay, this add basically make this 3. One more thing. I mean, there's not much to be honest, but I'll delete this stuff. Even though I think there's not really a point in deleting these like a small sort of things, but it'll clean up some space. Okay. So let's see now how my download folders takes up 5.21. So this is basically the work stuff and the loose stuff. That's it. So this is good. Now we have app data remaining pretty much. I'm afraid not much of it I can remove because it's actually not that easy to decide what you want to remove from this sort of stuff. So let me see. 4.5. So this is what local L. Okay. So I think Microsoft might be taking, okay, not Microsoft. 4.69. Interesting. What is it? Default company? What is default company? Biscuit couch fighting. Oh, is it this shit? Yup. So this is my old work stuff. So this is going bye-bye. Okay, cool. So this should be minus basically 5 GB. Let me actually check it quickly. Yep. So this is basically completely gone now. Now we have local and roaming. That rarely happens, but I'm happy. I'm not complaining. 2.29. 5. So I'm afraid. Yeah. So this is the same, I think. Unity editor. So Unity Hub, I guess. Yep. 4 GBs here. about to be gone. Can I not uninstall this? I mean, I'll just delete it. Okay. What else can we find? So this is 800 MB, not that much. This is 2.20. Okay. There's like a small, usually that's what happens. Like there's a small like bunch of stuff that takes some like decent amount of space. So you need to identify that and delete like those specific things basically. I can see it. So this 1.69 GB, but where is it? It's not this one. Is it this one? Nope. Is it Godot? Yeah, it is Godot. So these are what? Editor themes and stuff? I don't think I need to keep this, but I will for now. Okay. Let's see what else is there. So 500 MB here. Is it distributed equally? Looks like it. Okay. 400 is somewhere here. So Discord. Discord is fine. That can stay. 269 MB here. Okay, this seems fine. So now roaming is 3 GB. Now local is left. Local. Um, hmm. What is application data? There is a folder called application data. I have no idea what that is. Doesn't seem like it's anything, honestly. What if I delete it? Oh, it just got deleted. Nice. Let's see. So we already have 5 GB in the beginning and 7 at the middle. 6 at the end. Yeah, I'm not sure if this can be done too much about, because most of this stuff is like very not my knowledge sort of stuff, so I can't really go around and like delete it willy-nilly. So let's see, AMD related stuff is not much. Android maybe, but I'm working with Android right now. So in this Android, this will be, so Android is 4 GB. Let's see what else we can find. 1.5 GB somewhere. Okay, one thing I realized, like I talked about last time, I need to be careful when I'm using the calculator. When I press on 9, the recording stops. The other thing is that I don't think recording stopped this time because I didn't press 9. But the other thing is that I'm not sure like what exactly I should be like deleting or looking for. But I'm getting laundry done and I'm getting it done via like just essentially like giving it to someone to do the laundry, like someone in the sense like some people who do laundry. So yeah, okay. So I also found 1.45 GB, something like that, for free basically. So that is gone now. So I am actually finding more stuff than I expected that I can like sort of find and delete. That's nice, because the more of this I can find, the easier it is. Okay, so GitHub desktop and Godot, neither of these I can delete, but out of curiosity. So GitHub is taking more space. Interesting. Okay, Google shouldn't really be taking any space, but it's Android. Okay. So history I'll delete. I don't know what that is. Oh my god, I almost accidentally deleted something without looking at it. Okay. So NVIDIA is also something that usually takes a lot of space. So this is 4.3 GB. What is 4.3 GB though? Like it shouldn't be taking that much space ever. NVIDIA, is it something in cache? I mean, it says DX cache, so I'm very tempted to just delete it, even though that just means it will just be made again. So we'll deal with that later. Same with Microsoft folders. These are not. So I'll just write it down. NVIDIA, that is, how much was it? Okay. We know Microsoft is 5.5. So this I am not going to delete right now. Again, if I switch to bloody Linux, this won't be an issue. But for now, where is NVIDIA again? So this is 4.5 GB, and then there is HP as well. So let's look at that once. Actually, HP we accidentally, but we did see, and yeah, there's nothing in it. So now I will remove NVIDIA and Microsoft and see how much this is. 1.14. Also wanna see what, I think I missed one. What is it? It's actually Microsoft SDK. Wait, what? Microsoft SDK is okay. Never mind. It is Microsoft. Okay. Is there anything that is specifically taking? No, I think it's mostly just very evenly distributed. I think actually now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look like it. Is Edge taking most of the space? Oh my god, Edge is taking most of the space. Ad blocking. That is interesting. I didn't expect it to be like this. Even in Edge, there is like only some one specific thing it seems like is taking like, is it cookies or something? I think cookies are like important, right? Cookies, no, not cookies. Domain action. There's something called default. And in that, there's again just shit ton of things. Okay, now it seems like it's more evenly distributed. Okay. Cool. So I think I can't delete this. So I'll look into like what to do about this later. But this was Edge, right? So this is still Microsoft, so we don't really care about that much. So we will do this. There's something here, I think. 1.28 GB. Seems like most of it is in perception. No, packages probably. Yeah, packages. What is this? Should I delete this? I have a bad habit of just randomly deleting stuff. Probably going to do this right now as well. How much is it again? 1 GB. Fine, I'll keep it. Okay. So we can go ahead from this. There is nothing. This is also nothing. Basically, this is 1.8 GB somewhere. Where is it? Okay, so there's Unity again, Unity Hub, Unreal Engine as well. None of these I use, so I'll just delete it. Should I? Unreal Engine launcher, Unreal Engine. Yeah, I'm going to delete it. Then there's Valorant as well. Hopefully this is not too much. 500 MB. Okay, I mean it's fine. Not good or anything, but it's fine. Okay. Now let's just go back and look at my folder once. So I'm looking at this directly now. right? While this is happening, there are some hidden folders that have appeared. So I'm just checking that as well. What is this? Okay, so in all users, there's something that is taking a lot of space as well. 11 GB, 10 GB. Microsoft? Is it NVIDIA again? Yep. Why is NVIDIA taking this much space? Which one is it? Both of them equally. Oh, damn it. Okay. So let me just do, how much is this? This is now 48. 48. Again, I can't really delete much of it. Stuff like this is makes it difficult to remove it. So I'm going to remove this. Then roaming is taking 3. Wait, how much did I say app data was taking? Okay, app data is 21. So this matches up, right? This matches up. 22 actually. Yeah. So app data is taking this much out of this. Local and roaming are taking this much. And downloads is 5. This is this much. So these two combined okay. There's music as well. So music was 3 GB, right? And basically I'm trying to match this up to here so we know what is in these disks. So I'm going to make this 5. So 5, 3 is 8, and this is 30. So 18 GBs are unaccounted for right now. Where are they? I say unaccounted for, but we do know where they are because we did the calculation. You're just forgetting. Desktop is 1.5, so desktop is 2 GBs basically. But again, there's like something major that I'm forgetting somewhere. Videos. Right. Because videos was like 12 GBs, right? Videos. Yeah, videos is 15. So videos, that is 15 GB, out of which I think 12 was like, 12 is Angel Beats, and then other stuff combined is 5 basically. So this is like OBS and NVIDIA. I'm calling it 5. As you can see, it's not matching up, but yeah. This is actually 16, like 15.8 to be exact. Okay. So we have now 16. This is 8. 16 plus 8 is what, 24? And then 22. So that's 46. So 2 GBs are like here and the left, but that's fine. So this is basically, can I actually make this so I can C# show? Can I not like, what if I use brackets? Oh, that's so funny. So I can just do this. That is so funny. Okay. So user total is this much. So downloads is 5 GB, videos is 16, music is 3, app data is 22. So again, app data I can't really do much about. Everything I could have. Angel Bits takes 12 GB, so this can be basically minus 12 at any time. This also will probably get removed. So 16 GB basically can be removed from here. Work ones are 3 GB. This also can be removed, and loose is also not much. But so this is 5, 16. That's 21, 24, and 46. So not bad. Now in user, there are some new hidden folders that I didn't realize there were before. So I'm checking them now. So default user is just a shortcut. Okay, so if this is just a shortcut, then this also is probably just a shortcut. So it leaves just default, and in that, wait, what? I did something that probably I shouldn't have done because now something is missing, but that's fine. Stupid stuff happens all the time. So now finally, user folder is 48.3. Okay. Now what? First of all, how much is my PC now? So let's also just look at my PC. So this right now, the total for this is, so we have 475 GB total. Free out of this is 67.5 GB. Okay. So this is where we are at right now. Now we will move on to something else. So there are some hidden folders. I'll quickly go and check them once. There's recovery as well, which probably will take some space at least. Holy. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff. Let me just count. So this is hidden files. This is 9, so I need to remember that 9 will pause the recording. I should actually, you know what? Let me just go and change the shortcut to something else. So instead of 9, I'll make it control 9, and same with this. So now 9 shouldn't do anything. Same with actually the number 8. Oh my god, I must have paused the recording a bunch of times, at least for, where is 8? Yeah, control 8 and then control 8. Okay, so now, yeah, this is working. Actually checking. Okay, this is working, and then yeah, everything is working fine now. So now I shouldn't be worried about just things randomly not working. So this is the 9 GB, and then files, this is 23 GB. Now one of them is a system. Okay, so there's hibernating file. So I know some of these are due to the way I've set up my power options. So maybe I can go and change that. Let me see. Okay. I'll give you guys the, yeah. Okay. I don't need to run command for, yeah, this one. So this is hibernate. Where is this power options? No, I know this. I've seen. I'm in power options right now, but I can't find the exact setting. Create a power plan. No. Change advanced power settings. Yeah, I think this is it. Mm, no, I can't see. Can't see hibernation. Sleep. Process of permanent display. Hmm, where might I find it? Maybe I need to open the Windows setting. What happened to my mouse? Okay. Oh my god. Lid power and sleep. Yes. So I was actually keeping these on because they apparently make your PC wake up very fast. But I don't really. I need the space more than that right now. So I'm trying to adjust that. But where on earth? Let me try the other file. I think the other one will be. This is called a page file. Okay. Mm, So there's 17 to the paging size. Okay. So apparently it's done. I think I'll pause the recording here, restart the PC because now I have a way to merge the videos very quickly and do that. So let me actually see once more. System manage size. What about I do this through this one as well? Currently allocated. I can't see something. Okay. So I'll restart quickly and you shouldn't see any difference. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, here for the part two, I'm assuming. So it took a while for the restart, and even after that, it didn't work. So I had to like restart it a couple of times, but now we are fine, I think. So yeah, we should be good to go now. I am going to open the notepad again so you can see. So now, as far as hidden files go, this is basically nothing. So I'm going to remove this. Folders, on the other hand, we still have to deal with this. So folder has gone up somehow. I'll just check everything once again. So this is probably going to be a bit 20. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Actually 21. So already program data has 11, 12 of this. So let's just start from there. Hidden file total right now is 20 GB. Okay, 21. So hmm, okay. So this is 12. Now why is it 12? What in it is 12 GBs worth? Is this equally distributed? Nope. Is it Microsoft and Nvidia mostly? Yes. So I'm afraid we probably can't really delete anything from this. That sucks, but that is important. So yeah, I mean, I'll still look around, I guess, a little bit. So it actually is mostly Nvidia, I believe. Is there anything specific in it? Seems like it is. Is it Nvidia app? Oh, it is Nvidia app. I hate this so much. But yeah, I can't delete this. Then we have recovery, 0, OneDrive. There is something in OneDrive. I'm not sure what exactly. Oh, recycle bin is right. Let me open recycle bin. So I have recycle bin. Yeah. What is it inside this that is so much taking so much space? I'm just looking through this. Hotline Miami. Let's restore this. Some of it is my own audio and stuff as well, but most of what I'm looking at is just unnecessary stuff. So I'm going to empty this. Empty recycle bin. So this will take some time, but this should give us even more space basically. I can already see our total space has gone up by total free space is now 95. That's good progress from us. It's not just like increasing the total space, but also increasing just cleaning up everything. So now this is 12 GBs. So this matches up with this. So we are going to wrap it up here. Again, these all should add it up to, actually, I'll put used here as well. So we have, actually now we have even more, 98. So this is 98. So used should be 475 minus 98, 377. Out of this, how much has been accounted for? Accounted. So we have accounted for 48 plus 12, 60. So we have ways to go. Okay, so hidden files are done. I think we don't actually need to keep hidden files on, but I'll keep it on for now. So now what? Some games. So let's start with program files. Okay, actually let's just start with the stuff that I know isn't full first, just so we can get through stuff quickly. So I'm hiding the hidden files now for now. Also, let me just see what happens when I select everything and look at it. So I get So this is hidden, right? 12. So I should get this minus 12, which is what? Something like 350. If I don't get that, we might have a problem. Because that means I need to keep on the hidden files. That just takes a while to like sift through because there are like so many unnecessary small hidden files everywhere. What I wanted to do was I'll play a little bit today and map learning as well. The reason I'm suddenly like into geography is like I'm seeing some people that I watch play like trivia games with maps and stuff, and I'm like, it would be kind of nice if I could know when they're messing up or something like that. Sorry if you heard that. Just me drinking water. So we have got 300 so far. So we have 70 more to go. It is still loading. Like I can show you. Uh, so you can see this. This is like calculating it slowly. So it will take a while. But I hope you're doing well. Hope everything has been cool with you. Um, yeah. Yeah, this will take some while. I think we should just continue with our finding thing basically. So this one, I'm not even sure what this is. Yeah, it's just an empty folder. It's called perf logs. Is there something hidden in this? Nope. I hate that they removed the shortcut to make hide and unhide things. Like there used to be, you used to be able to do that really quickly, but now you can't. Sandbox is empty as well. Xbox games. Windows.old is something that is taking a bunch of space. So I'm not sure what to do with this. Let me search online if there is anything that could be helpful. Okay. Windows.old folder. Now, WikiHow is not the best. Okay, so we got 342 here. So calculated is 342 GB. What does this mean? So as I said, this added with 12. So this would be 4, 5. So we have 20 GBs missing somewhere. That's not very good. We'll see if that comes into play later. For now, I'm just moving forward. So Windows.old is 50 gigabytes. Let's see if we can just delete this. Storage temporary files. Let's try this. So I'll share my screen with you for this. How do we open this again? Okay. Where's the storage? Okay. So I'll show my screen. Yeah. Temporary files. Downloads. Why would I remove this? So this much we can delete, it says. But it doesn't show me. I'll remove this because there's no point in keeping this. And this we have already accounted for. But where is the old Windows file? Okay, that's weird. Okay, let's see. Top left, you go here. Temporary files. Previous Windows installation. Don't see this method to delete it. Let's see this first. So disk cleanup. This is something that we used quite a lot. But this also actually doesn't have that option. But I'm doing something different. So maybe it will. Let's see. How to do you see this? What are these? Anyways, yeah, I'm not sure. Feeling kind of lazy, but also I'm doing this so because this is something I've been putting off for a while now. I'm really like feeling like, dude, I have so much space. Like I have just so much bloody space because I have hard disks here. I have hard disks in my office. But right now I'm running out of space because in my laptop there is no like extra space basically. Okay. Windows upgrade log files, antivirus. Yeah, but none of this. Previous it is eight. Okay, we got it. We got it. So we just press OK, delete files, and there should be 55 gigabytes gone. Can you imagine that? No wonder I was running out of space. Literally, that much space was just being taken by. Um, literally, that much space was being taken by just Windows installation files. Now, the one thing that I noticed is it will cost me my Windows restore point. I think I'm still not sure. Let me see restore point. Um, I think there is a system restore point on 5th April 26. Uh, okay, so I think it got removed or something, but that's not a big issue. So this is April is today. For when I'm recording, you probably heard that weirdly because I was like ahead of the mic, but that's fine again. Okay. So this deletion will take a while. Let's go here and see. So 55 from this will be gone. Should I bother cleaning the rest? Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. I'll have how much again? 150. For now, I think that's fine. Later, I might need to go back because a lot of it is going to be games. Let's just do the games quickly. Let's see what all is in the games. I mean the games folder. I keep saying the games as if it's like a. I don't know. Okay, so setups. Why are there two setups folder? I guess it's just okay because I restored one of the deleted ones. So games is 152. Games and setups combined. Just setups would be much less, I think. I think Overwatch and Valorant, these two are taking like a lot of space. I think I'm fine with this. I'm just going to close it because all this is all is happening now is I can show you. You see this? So this is just deleting it. So I'm fine with this. You know, I don't really mind. But yeah. Now I will. I don't know. What should I do? Let's do some geography. Let's do some geography learning. So I didn't save the websites that I was using. So that will be a. I can find them in my YouTube channel, I guess. Let me see. Going to my own channel in a different browser, so you can't see it. Okay. So I ended up using two websites, right? So one is mapchart.net, then a website just for the, what do you call it, flags. Oh, I guess this is it. Just one for the flags and one for the. Okay. So we can just start the map mapchart.net slash world, but like I think it will give me some option and country flags. Okay. Simple. I think dark. Can I not? Okay, whatever. Isn't there a theme or something somewhere here? Okay. So this side and oh, this is like a legend, I guess. This thing. Okay. I need to stop this from happening. Where holding control just labels everything. I need to stop that from happening. Uh, where is the setting thing? Okay. I had some getting on my nerves. Okay. So we were starting from India, obviously. Then this is Nepal, I know. This is Pakistan. This is Bangladesh, and then Bhutan on top of it. Then we have Myanmar. This should be. Is it Afghanistan? Yeah. This is Iran. This is China, almost at Russia. Mongolia and Russia. Then we have, this is South Korea, North Korea, Japan. This is Australia. Now this area I need to remember a little bit. So there is, I think, Thailand. This must be Thailand. This one, yeah. Then one of this is Indonesia. I think this one is Indonesia. This is Vietnam. So this is in. Okay, so this is Vietnam. So I'm completely like missing up where Indonesia is. So this one is Indonesia, Malaysia. Okay. So we will need to come back to this. I also removed how to. So I think I need to go here. Holding shift on a country, remove its color, remove colors. Okay, back to this. This is Sri Lanka. And I don't know what this country is. This is Kazakhstan. Okay. Then this is Greenland, Iceland. The big one is Greenland. This is Iceland. This is Canada, USA, Mexico. Didn't realize USA like no. This is USA. This is so weird. Brazil, Chile. This is Argentina, isn't it? I didn't know that. I saw that like last time. Now, what are these countries? We'll come back to them as well. Okay. So now let's start learning more. So this is again some place called Laos, and then this is Cambodia. Don't really know these at all, to be honest. Laos. Interesting. And Cambodia. Okay. Both of wasn't Laos also like pretty similar? Okay, it's just inverted colors. Um okay, interesting. Can I get a different website actually? Country flags. Not that this website is bad. I was just wondering if there's a different like I don't know. I don't know why I'm thinking of a different flag of Australia. Yeah, I'm not sure. That one was fine. Honestly, the one that I was using last time was nice because when I clicked on it, it would just open a picture of that. Let me just find that quickly. Does y.com lead to YouTube? I know youtube.com at one point used to. Oh, I mean yt.com. fb.com used to go to Facebook. Probably still does. Yep. Okay, anyways. What's my name again? Yeah, this one. Mute it. Not for really you, for me more than anything. Yeah, this was the other one, wasn't it? World Geography Games. So we'll open that as well. But I was looking at names and this is Worldometers. Okay. So I'll open both of these. World Geography Games and Worldometer. Worldometer flags. In this one we can go to oh no. World games, world countries, and it should give us something for just the map basically. Yeah, this one. Okay, cool. So yeah, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia. So Thailand, we also saw Thailand's flag. Yeah, this one. So these are like very similar flags, all of these nearby, right? Thailand has this sort of thing. Cambodia also. Cambodia, very similar. And then Laos. Then Vietnam, I remember vaguely. Vietnam. Okay, this looks like China but different. Now Hong Kong is somewhere here. And Hong Kong apparently is its own country according to this map. So it's right here. So here it's not really marked, but and then there's Taiwan here. So it's pretty close to China. Taiwan? Wait, what? Is Taiwan not a country? Oh, interesting. Taiwan. It has a. Oh, it's. Wait, what? Officially the Republic of China. What? So this is a People's Republic of China. Wait. So what if I search here China Republic? What? Why is it not here? And why is it called officially the Republic of China out of all things? That's so weird. Okay, its flag is just like red with a blue star. These things are so weird, dude. Um, Philippines is here. So I'm just going to go through them this time, not really think about it. Brunei, never heard of this place. It's inside Malaysia. So again, Malaysia is like this whole area. Indonesia. Oh, Indonesia is pretty big. Didn't realize it. Oh, it's like the biggest one in this area. So Indonesia is pretty large. Singapore is like a small one here. I mean, I'm pretty sure Singapore at least should be here. So right now I'm just going through them one by one and not really thinking. Timor Leste, Papua New Guinea, heard of that place. Solomon Islands, heard of that as well. New Caledonia, Vanuatu, Fiji. So Fiji, it has like that mountain out over. New Zealand. Okay, New Zealand I know. So Australia and New Zealand, these two are like they have something going on. I'm not very sure. French, Southern and Antarctic lands. What is that? Okay, let's cover up these. So Bahamas Islands. So this is here. Cuba, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Haiti, Jamaica, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama. So Costa Rica and Panama I heard a lot. Then from here we have French Guiana, Suriname, not sure how to pronounce it, Guyana, Venezuela, so this I've heard of as well, Colombia is here, okay. I would have thought it was in Europe or something. Ecuador, I'm not sure how to pronounce that as well. Peru I've heard of, Bolivia I've heard of, Paraguay, and Uruguay. Okay, these are very I can't. Okay, this one I've also heard of, Falkland Islands, and for obvious reasons. And I wouldn't really know how to pronounce the names. There's just Samoa here. I've heard of Samoa a little bit. It's just one island at the like very bottom somewhere. South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands. Okay. Now what is this? This is Norway. Interesting. So I think we have covered a good bunch of places. This is the one that I'm the most like I think unaware of. So this is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. Okay. It will be hard to remember like them individually, like what they are. Maybe the flags will help you. Okay, so now this is what I'm interested in. So Norway, we already saw. This is like the um border, basically the coastal place. Iceland is here. Now we can go inside. So this is between Russia and Norway, Finland, then Sweden. I think there are like a bunch of states here that are like very close together, right? Estonia, Latvia, these are like more Russian coded. Belarus or like more that culture here, Lithuania. Ukraine is here, okay? So this is what was being invaded. Georgia, Azerbaijan, Armenia. So this is, so am I wrong or this is Turkey, eh? And there's another country somewhere here called Turkey. Either that or I'm stupid and that's just what Turkey is. Maybe that is Turkey. Let me just look up Turkey country. So this is Republic of Turkey, or Turkey maybe, and so yeah, it's around here. Yeah, so it is the same one. Okay, okay. So this is just Turkey, or like at least you know how I would. Turkey is what I've learned, but it could be wrong as well. So this is Syria, Iraq. Okay, so Iraq and Iran are here, very close together. Jordan. Jordan is a country. Israel, Palestinian territories, and Lebanon. So this is basically the Middle East, I guess, what we know. Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bah- Bahrain, Qatar, UAE, Oman, and Yemen. Okay, interesting. See, the thing is, I never ever had too much reason to learn these places. Like some places, like South Africa is somewhere here. I think this one. Iran, Iraq are here. Libya, Egypt. Some of these places, some of places here as well, like Germany and stuff. A long time ago, we had reason to learn, but since then, and even then, we just barely remember, right? China, Russia, these are like much more obvious. Japan, I would say as well, just because it's like a country that we hear about a lot. Okay. Um, Havana, this is the area that I'm most scared of. So Italy, I know because it looks like just a weird shape. What are these two? France, Spain, and Portugal. Okay, where is United Kingdom? So this is United Kingdom, Ireland, Belgium, Netherlands. It would be really funny if I asked after United Kingdom. Oh, okay. Where is England then? Denmark, Germany. Okay, so Germany, France, Spain, Poland. So these are like kind of together. What is this? Luxembourg, Monaco, Andorra. I'm not going to pronounce that. Switzerland, Austria. I'm not sure how to pronounce that either. Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Herzegovina. Why are there two names together? Serbia, Montenegro, Kosovo, Albania, North Macedonia. Greece is here. Okay. Malta, Cyprus, Bulgaria, Romania. So Romania and Greece. I'm assuming Rome. Yeah, no, Rome is Italy, right? Right. See, I know some stuff here and there. Okay, I think that is it for right now. I do want to, yes, Madagascar, South Africa. I do know some places here as well because we used to play Atlas at one point. But I think this is enough for today. Again, I didn't look up the flags for a lot of these places, but eventually I will. But yeah, for now, I'll just take a break and message some of the people that I need to message. So you won't see this, I'm pretty sure, but I will be back. I mean, I'm here, like I'm typing. You will just hear some silence. All right, that's enough for today. Now I want to go and play something. What should I play? Valorant? Uh, Valorant works, I guess. We'll play a little bit of Valorant, but then we go to Overwatch. Know the plan, but you know what? Actually, I really want to switch over to modern, not modern warfare. Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Future Soldier. That's another game from my childhood, basically, that I've not finished. So I wanna play that at some point. I've actually gotten really far in that. I've just not been able to finish it. So you can see the game now. Um, Not unrated. Wait, should I just do this? One unrated would be kind of nice if I can win that, because that's how many. So this is 4 just 16. I'd get 13. So I would have 3 left. Then I can just play one knockout if we win. If we don't win, depending on how badly we lose, this could blow up in my face as well. I could do Honestly, I could have done competitive as well. But I think unrated would be more easy to get a win in. Like the opponent might surrender or something as well. I really need to lock in. Do I just go chamber and just brutal, like try to get as many opening picks as possible? So we need an initiator if, yeah, so now we need an initiator or a sentinel. I'm looking what the other person. Okay, so are we going no sentinel? That's my question. We don't have any. I mean, we technically have one flash. Let me see. What about Gecko? Yoru kind of works because he has one flash, but he just has one flash as well. Oh, what about Sky? A drone. Yeah, I have to take a Sky.
Where's the fight?
Maybe I could have gone for KO instead. KO might have been better actually. Would KO have been better? Not sure. But now we have a Sky, so. Yoru, the reason I say Yoru would have been good is because I'm planning to op a lot, right? Or like a sniper a lot. In that scenario, someone like Yoru who can TP away. Okay, holy, this has been so annoying, but I'm not even sure if the problem has been fixed now um because it's hard to tell. Let me see. Um yeah, so I changed the pager file size again. So yeah, it is now huge again. But I'm not even sure if that was the issue to begin with. So let me open a tab where I can search and you can see it. Yeah. So there was this error. So I'm going to search that error and see what comes up. So I took a screenshot. I couldn't take a screenshot, so I just took a photo. nlan sp c.dl. Let's see Valorant, because I think let's see ChatGPT if it has any detail on it. So this has nothing to do with Valorant. I'm pretty sure. Why was Valorant then? So this might be stupid, but I do want to open Valorant again and try it again, because that is, I think, how I need to figure out if it genuinely was. Because I did a bunch of things, right? I increased the page size, page file size. I restarted the PC. So I am not sure. Like if it still isn't fixed, then it is something different. So I need to at least try it once more. The unfortunate thing is that it not fixing means it will be just completely like messy. But okay, so it did start. Funnily enough, you saw it before than I did because I had a different window open in front.
Match found.
So you should be able to hear me now. For whatever reason, for like a few seconds, you just couldn't hear me, which is weird. But okay, what do I play this time? This maybe? Oh, chamber someone else took. Cypher, I'll play Cypher. So I don't know what happened. Like the amount of annoying things that Windows now will Linux do the same thing. Maybe I'm not sure, but it feels like there are so many small little things that Windows like annoys me with that it would be so much better to just not use Windows sometimes.
Match starting soon. Fight. Cutting their vision. You're done. Reloading. Reloading. Three souls.
Tripwire destroyed.
You are returning to battle. Reloading. Defender spun.
Be faster.
Reloading.
Tripwire destroyed. With me, Chamber. Your eyes, my cameras. We make a good team. Yalla, China.
Fight. Enemy defender spun. Cutting their vision. Inside.
It is so stupid, but I like playing like this sometimes. Oh, this guy's dead. What I wanna see is if there's a better place for this camera. Either really high up, either really high up, or somewhere where they wouldn't see it. That would be like a good place for the camera.
Fight. Still in sight. Enemy in defender spawn.
I got my one. Sometimes I see aim like this and I wonder like how did they have any kills at all? How are we winning, let alone kills?
Sorry.
Especially given I am trolling.
Fight. Dizzy's up. Blow him up, man.
Enemies defend our spawn.
I should have moved. I didn't move at all. Like movement was.
Check. We feeling good? Hope so. Hope so. Reloading.
So you can get till here. That's nice. I mean, in Overwatch you could have just jumped and died as well, but that's also fine, I guess.
Fight. Cutting their vision.
The Reyna. I mean, if they get a kill, I will be the first one to get back up.
Agent returning to battle.
Nice.
Still in sight. You are returning to battle. Match point. That's true. Good advice. Fight.
I mean, this is working fine, so I'm assuming.
Cage triggered.
Assuming that the problem is fixed, the issue, whatever was happening.
Agent returning to battle.
We should win this. Nice.
The enemy only looks composed. Their hearts still different.
Is this a song or something? Interesting.
Fight.
Cutting their still in sight. Enemy defender spawn.
Are we the attackers? Are we supposed to be the attackers?
Revive destroyed. Revive is cage triggered. Camera taken out. Cage triggered. One dead. Ah, my eyes are down. Trick shots. White
Nice.
Attackers win.
Okay, not bad. It was fun, and nothing bad happened in the recording. I might remove like one section or something if the recording is like really bad, because I'm also worried about the audio. It has happened in the past when I record an audio, but I record an audio, but the audio itself is really bad because of some reason. So that is something I'll need to check. But yeah, I think I'll play Overwatch, and also I will order some food. Yeah. After that, I'll go. Um, the actual like editing and stuff of the video will take a while because of how big it is and how many like different parts there are. But this is not going to be like a daily occurrence or anything, so it's fine. You still can't believe the page file by default is like 17 gigabytes, which is insane. I'm not sure. I still don't think. Sorry, I still don't think the page file is what made the crashes happen. But maybe I don't know. I also want to do one of these audios with more like talking sort of stuff because I've been playing basically the whole time in these. But I want to do one like the old ones where I used to just talk and stuff. I'm looking at food right now. What should I get? I'm thinking. I got iced tea this morning, which was really nice. What else can I get? Hmm. Nothing is coming to my mind. Steam is also acting up suddenly, not loading up. Every app today has been acting up. Such an annoying thing to happen suddenly. Why is Steam not opening though? Steam is usually like the least like problematic one. Oh, finally. Now let's hope Overwatch is fine. What should I eat? I haven't had biryani in a while. So that is one option. Okay, cool. I'll play like maybe one or two games and then I'll stop the recording. I might play after that, but at least for the recording, I'll stop. I want to at least order the food before I stop the recording. Right now, I'm not really sure what to really um order. I really like fried rice, but good fried rice is so difficult to find because the chicken quality is really bad.
I will not leave a broken world behind.
Pizza is a good option. Let me see. Let me see the place from where I order. So I have two options for pizza, right? Basically, one is the cheap one and one is the more expensive one. Pineapple pizza, of course. So I'm seeing the cheap one basically, and what else I can order with it. If I don't see something nice, then not sure honestly. Or maybe I can do the large pizza. Okay, I need to get in the game.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Well, I'm dead. Could have slept, maybe. Okay. Oh, you can't see. I'll fix that quickly. Ah, right. Overwatch is sort of weird. Let me see if I can window mode. Then Overwatch. And then full screen. Yeah, this works, but I saw that it's not like it's messed up or something for you. I can also see that something funky is happening. Oh, it's because I got the issue. I'll fix it in a second. Okay. My bad. Oh, now it seems to be fitting. Is it?
One of these days I'll end up in Fiji.
No, it is not. I can see it's getting like cut off. Oh, because I've selected image.
We're outnumbered. Be careful.
Okay, I'll fix it after this.
Hope this helps.
Oh my goodness. Wow, we got smoked.
They're moving the payload. Stop them. This is not the end. Securing the flag. Payload isn't
Oh my god.
I won't give in. Well done. I'll keep you out.
Ah, reverse 4K. How is that possible? The Tire got 3 kills, but in between that, the Reinhardt got 1 kill. Okay. GG. Okay. Not bad, but we will now leave and fix this. Now, now go to this properties, maybe. How do I? Some sort of a scale or something. Transform. I bring this here. Transform, edit transform. Okay. Transform, edit transform. So this should be 1270. Oh, sorry, 1280, 720. So now this is fine, I think. I think everything is fine now. Yep. Looks alright. I think this might be a bit cut off, but it's so little that I can barely tell. But yeah, I think it's fine. Okay. After this game, I will go and have some food. Oh, sorry. Play some on my own.
Select a map.
I'm just texting someone, so I'm a bit distracted.
Traveling to Havana.
Okay, what do I want to play? I mean, Anna was nice. I enjoyed playing Anna. Is anyone else? Maybe Lari? Yeah, let's try her.
I carry my burdens alone.
So this is how the last son of Shimada wields his legacy, skulking about like a fanlo.
The Hashimoto cannot go unchallenged. It is my duty to protect
Let me see the.
from tyrants like
So, non-combat cooldown is 7
Call
seconds.
it tyranny if you like. At
Normal
least
cooldown is
the
14
defense is
seconds.
absolute.
If I break it, I think that means that. So what, we put the pylon here? Maybe?
Healing pylon deployed.
5, 4, 3,
Okay.
1. Attackers incoming. Stop the enemy.
Oh, that was fun just trying to long range the. Nice, we got the pylon. We survived for a pretty good amount of time, honestly. Oh, we have 3 supports with them. Should I go tank? What tank should I go?
We're outnumbered.
Zon. This is Zarya. So I'm thinking like who would be good against her? Maybe Ryan. Oh, someone says to Moira. For a second I was like, wait, what? Someone. Nice, nice. No way, the cow. uh, for those who are confused, Orisa is usually just called a cow or a horse. Nice. Now I'm super low in HP, but should be fine. Who stunned me? Wait, what? Was it just Orisa like putting on fortifier? That's interesting.
Receive my aid.
Yeah, we can't defend that. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful kill. Okay. I also saw that I messed up some things in my OBS. I need to fix that, but it's not important. Somehow the what is his name again? Mizuki got the kill for that. Nice. Did the Vendetta try to fight? No. Then what was that? Nice. Oh wow. Nice. I think we're doing good. Okay, we got the diva though, so that's not bad. Oh, she says slay. She also says ow. Like, ow.
Watch out! My ultimate is almost ready. Know your place. Almost ready.
10 seconds remaining.
Nice.
Play of the game.
Juno and Moira both were like a lot of heals they were providing. Okay. As I said, I think I'll end it here. But yeah, hope you're having fun. Hope that was fine, I guess, because I am honestly still like not sure how the recordings will be. But yeah, hope you're doing good and see you soon. Bye bye.